What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Just getting everything set up, man. What's happening, KC? What's cracking with you, brother? Ernesto, my Big Connect man. What's happening, brother? Kappa Jones, I see you, brother. AMC Doge, let's go, dude. You already know what time it is, man. You saw the bounce we had last night? That's that line I drew. And we almost freaking touched it on the 4-hour chart on Doge. And we bounced off. That's that pennant I drew where the two lines converge at. We got the break over the top of that triangle. So, dude, it's holding true, man. I think we're going to go back to test Doge at the 200-day moving average around 42, 43 cents. And that might happen tomorrow, guys. We got the news on the Coinbase listing, which is actually happening Wednesday. Let's see if I have that pulled up. I'm going to add it. But nonetheless, I was predicting a week or two out. Coinbase Doge. It's probably in the news in Webull. I can pull it up. What's up, Daniel? How you doing, brother? Just trying to get set up. Let some people get in here. Going over a few things, but like Coinbase lists DogeCoin on professional trading platform. And blah, blah, blah. Pretty much Thursday. With trading expected to launch on Thursday if liquidity conditions are met. So it's not a guarantee right now, but you can expect a pretty freaking nice run up today. And you can see after it was broke, Doge already ran 7.22% today. So awesome news, guys. I knew it was coming. I didn't think when I talked about it yesterday it would be today. But nonetheless, dude, I'm super pumped about it. June 3rd. Yes, that'd be correct, brother. That's what they're shooting for right now, if they can meet the liquidity for them to add it to their platform. So we'll see what happens, man. Ernesto, remember, guys, sell the news, dude. It's going to be tough right here, man. It's going to be a tough decision to make because it's just happening so quick. I thought they would have gave a little bit of more of a notice, but you're not getting much of a notice. So you can expect Doge probably between tomorrow and Thursday to go back and test 40 something, probably 43 cents. We'll probably go bust this 200-day moving average. And if you get a bust above that, I have to see where it tops out before I start looking to sell some of my Doge because I'm expecting a pretty good drop right after Coinbase. And that's not my original position. That's some of the swing trades I was making way back when I was trying to support the call. So just be totally aware of that. It is happening, man. And nonetheless, we'll be ready for it when it does. We got the Discord, so we'll be rocking, man. Microvision, dude. We talked about Microvision yesterday. Let me move my head out the way. All the way up to 1835 in the aftermarket, man. And if you remember we were talking about it, I just said I had a pretty good feeling, dude. And that came, let me go to 5-minute chart. That came true today, man. That came freaking true, bro. Just immediately out the gate, man. 1587 all the way to 1843 was the high of the day. So, dude, just massive freaking growth, man. And that's moving in tandem kind of with the meme stocks a little bit too. But look at this growth right here. He had one little small 5-minute red candle in there before it ran all the way up to freaking 18 bucks. Bust through, had a little pullback, little sell off, and came back really well, man. Kind of consolidated in the after hours and had a little pop at the end. So, nonetheless, man, we called some great plays yesterday. Also, check out Riot. Riot was up 1 point, I think 13, 14, possibly 15%. Where's Riot? I got to get all these stocks in order, man. I got too many of them. But as you can see, big push, dude. We talked about this possibly being a double your money play, triple your money play if you're willing to hold this thing long term because it's directly correlated with Bitcoin. And we all know Bitcoin's coming back. So very good play, dude. Had a nice pop off this morning. Even in the after hours, had a nice pop at the end too. I mean, look at this green candle right here, guys. That was this morning. To open up, ran up, hit a high of 29.67. It looks like my eyes are messing with me, but definitely a good play, man. I think Mara we talked about yesterday too had a decent little run. Same thing, boom, straight up 25.65. Kind of had more of a sell-off today than Riot, but nonetheless came back. And we're sitting at 25.29 to end the aftermarket hours. So Now I'm very happy, dude. I made some great calls yesterday, and we were cooking, brothers. 36,000 currently on Bitcoin. I wanted to put the charts side by side and see. We got a W right here, kind of maybe leading into another W. I'm currently waiting on Bitcoin to go test that 37,921 again and hopefully break that. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I thought Bitcoin would have ran a little bit more than what we've seen it today, but nonetheless, I'm happy. I am super freaking happy. Let's check Doge on the 5-minute. So, it's trading differently. We had the news breakout today, so still very bullish. And I'm going off the 4-hour chart. Like I said, we drew that line yesterday, bounced off of it, and we are having a nice little, pretty nice rip here, all the way up to 38.40, the high of the day. So I'm expecting a pretty good run on Doge tomorrow, guys. Thomas Harris, what's happening, brother? How you doing, man? What is going on, brother? Hopefully you're making some money with all these plays, dude. We have been calling them, man. Pretty much overall, though, a green day across the board. Not too much red going on. Mainly in crypto. Ethereum 25.77. I kind of been swing trading Ethereum all day. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I made a couple $100 doing it. Just playing around, just trying to work on my trading skills, keep them sharp to the T. But following that line too as well. So you could possibly see a pullback sometime. Possibly tomorrow around 24.74. If not, she could break out to about 27.50. I would see it, if it follows this trend. So just keep an eye on it. Anything 2,500 for Ethereum is a good entry point right now if you're looking to swing trade or hold long term. So been a while. I have to work long hours, so been going to bed before you come on. Yeah, man, I'm gonna try to work on getting on a little bit earlier because it's messing with me too, man, with my schedule. So, but nonetheless, dude, I'm always gonna put out something every day just to keep you guys informed, let you know what plays I'm looking at. But I'm still bullish on Mavis, man. I think it still has a little bit more room to grow today, this week, I mean. But nonetheless, man, up 15% on the day, and we called it yesterday. I just said, man, Mavis is calling me, man. I just feel like she's about to run. I didn't have nothing to back it up, dude. I get these feelings sometimes, and dude, it happened, man. This thing just freaking took off this morning and didn't look back. I mean, look at all this green, man. And I still think she has some room to run before we get closer to Friday. That's when they'll start fighting us for the call options. And let's see what the options chain is looking like for Mavis. So right now, we got 2,000 at $20. Tough to see that. It's possible though. A lot of them at $18. So it looks like they're gonna try to fight us for this $18 for Friday. But anything can happen between now and then, guys. Anything can freaking happen. This thing could run, and they could be ending up fighting us for the $20 mark. So nothing too bad past that, but we'll have to see. Whiskey, what's happening, brother? We are chilling, man. We are just chilling in the live stream, bro. Nonetheless, dude, I got to get into it. AMC, baby. Bruh, $40 freaking dollars, dude. We almost freaking touched it. And I was about to lose my mind, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. 39.41 the high today, dude. And it's getting out of control, guys. It is doing exactly what we thought it would, and it just doesn't feel real, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Look at the call options at $40, dude. Like 16 million bucks worth of call options sitting at $40 right now. 21,496. And I mean, you got a couple, 1,100 at $42. So I'm expecting fully for them to fight us tooth and nail for every call option they can get right here. Because I mean, look at 30. You got 31,000 call options expiring in the money. 12,000 at 35, 4,000 at 36, 3,000 at 37, 21,000 at 40, dude. If those have to get hedged for, this stock is going to $50, man. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And I think once you get past 45, 50 bucks, dude, then you're going to start to see some huge gains coming in. I'm talking $2, $3, $5 moves per second with this stock, man. It is just be very, very careful if you don't have a position, you're trying to get in, because this thing is moving at a very fast pace right here. And I just don't want no one to get burned. I just don't want nobody to absolutely get burned. But we're in uncharted territory, guys. We're at an all-time high on the stock. The stock has never been this high. So, but it's never had the apes back in it either. So just keep that in mind, man. I got the Vortex data pulled up on AMC just to kind of tell you guys. Where is it? Short interest change on the day, still up 4.38%, dude. They're still shorting the stock, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Who in their right mind would be shorting this stock right now? Actually, from 7 days ago, you're up probably about 2 million shares shorted. Cost to borrow sitting about the same. Utilization 99%, so almost all the shares available to loan are currently on loan. You're probably getting some returned and new shorts taking positions. That's probably what you're seeing. But nonetheless, man, it's hard to stop the train right now. It really freaking is. And back to crypto real quick. I want to look at the crypto fear and greed index. It is starting to be less fear in the market, guys. And you can see this from the trend. Last week it was 22. Yesterday the fear was 20. And the lower this number, the more the fear. You can see by a little gauge right here. But the fear is coming up, and I think people are walking back into the market. And that's tall tale right here. Extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. This could be a buying opportunity. When investors are getting too greedy, that means the market's due for a correction, which we saw back here, man. So nonetheless, it looks like people are trying to hop back into crypto, man. The fear is going away, man, and I fully expect a summer run. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if it holds true, but nonetheless, man, I'm super excited for everything, man. KC says, hell yeah, AMC, man. And I hope everybody that bought AMC, and if y'all been rocking with me, I hope everybody's making a ton of money, dude. I just be careful right now. This stock is at an all-time high, and I don't see how this stock right now will not squeeze, but just be careful, guys. That's all I have to say about it. And we're rocking. But Doge currently sitting at 36.31. So I'm expecting it to go to 40 cents right before the Coinbase listing, and that's scheduled for Thursday. Now that could change. I would not be surprised if they move it back a day. So just be prepared for that, and we'll see what happens. But Ethereum currently sitting at 25.80, kind of been bouncing up and down. Still haven't retested at high of the day of 26.49. So we'll see what happens. I've been swing trading, man. If you buy down here, sell up here, you can make some decent profits, man. I made a little bit of money today just swing trading Ethereum. So just be careful. But nonetheless, everything was looking pretty green, dude. GameStop 25.56, same, just natural freaking growth, man. I mean, I don't know what to say, dude. The meme stocks are just taking over, man. Capo, appreciate you, brother. I know you've been rocking with me for a while, man. Ernesto says I'm up almost 100% on my AMC. That's what's up, brother. That's what I like to see, man. That is free money in the bank for you, brother. Actually, if y'all would have bought in at $9 when I was you'd be up almost 350%, guys. So just massive gains, dude. I didn't think it was coming that quick. But nonetheless, I'm happy it did. And I'm happy for everybody that's been freaking holding that stock forever, man. I mean, they actually got beat down for months and months and months. And that just makes it all worth it, man. Just seeing what's happening with AMC. But how you guys feeling about Doge? Let me know in the comment section below. I really believe Doge is going to be knocking on 40 cents. Hopefully tomorrow when I wake up, if not by tomorrow mid-lunch. I really think we're going to have a big push come tomorrow. It's just what happens, man, with the Coinbase listing. I just really feel like we'll be sitting close to 40 cents tomorrow. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. We'll find out tomorrow night on the stream. But I'm still expecting a pretty decent run come tomorrow, guys. Yeah, BlackBerry did awesome today, and that's another meme stock, man. It really is, dude. And that thing, look at that 4-hour candle right here, dude. Just straight up, man. Straight freaking up. So that's another heavily shorted stock right here. So you can see all of them. Let's see what Naked's doing. I know I have it pulled up here. Up 2% on the day. Actually 3.74%. Kind of having that natural growth, man. But you can see, man, she's rocking too. All the meme stocks are just having this nice steady growth, man. AMC's the biggest too. If y'all caught that Houston Wade interview I did, I kind of talked to him about, AMC being the first to squeeze because the numbers actually added up. And it came true, man. I think AMC is actually taking off. GameStop is too, of course, but AMC numbers were ridiculous, man. And that's why I kept preaching to everybody like, hey, y'all need to look at AMC because the stock was just, the numbers were crazy, man. I'm a numbers guy. I like to go through, read the numbers on everything, and gives you a better perspective. That's why I pay for the Ortex data, and I do my research, and I try to find all the decent plays I can. So, but nonetheless, Litecoin, let me go back to the 4-hour chart. Currently sitting at $180.47, kind of trading sideways. Getting a little bit of consolidation right here. Let me see if I can draw some lines on this. I don't know if any of y'all have Litecoin, but nah, I'm not gonna get no good lines right there. Anyway, I'm still thinking crypto's getting set up right now for a pretty good run. I mean, pretty decent run. I think it'll look to go back to where you were a couple weeks ago and retest those all-time highs, man. Doge, I'm just a little concerned with the Coinbase listing that once she gets on there, she could take a pretty good little dip. Y'all know how Doge is, man. Buy the hype, sell news. So we just have to see what happens. Doge is a great buy anywhere below 40 cents. Too many positive catalysts coming, and we all know they're coming. And you're right, man. That's why I made that video Saturday about don't forget about the Coinbase listing. Don't forget about it, man, because it's here. It's happening. They put it out today. I didn't expect it that soon, but damn it, they did it. And dude, I think she's about to run, man. That's just what I feel. And I'm going off the 4-hour chart if y'all looking at it. I mean, coming out with another green candle to start a 4-hour candle, man. So we could definitely go back to test the 200 moving day average and probably bust through it, man. I mean, you could definitely see close to the 50-cent Doge right before listing. I mean, it's possible, man. You're going to get a lot of hype pouring into this thing in the next day or two. So we'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what freaking happens. Matt Kors was on Fox Business earlier talking about AMC. I did, man. I did see the interview, and I'm happy for that dude, man. He's been in the game for a long time, and hats off to him, man. He deserves all the recognition he's getting, man. He really does. What's up, Ghost, man? How you doing, brother? Ryan, man. Hey, dude. Hope you're doing good, man. I am doing great, brother. I'm good to see you in the chat again, man. Coinbase, Robinhood wallets, Tesla, PayPal. Yeah, man, I'm surprised, guys. I thought the Tesla news would have broke before the Coinbase news. But, it would be the most awesome thing ever that could reverse the trend because Elon is a smart dude. I'm sure he knows all coins drop right after they get listed on Coinbase. They have a good run up and they drop. What if he would just come out and be like, Tesla's accepting Doge the same day the Coinbase listing? And that would just be absolutely send Doge parabolic, dude. And you could, if that would happen, dude, you'd probably see a retest at all-time high, man. I mean, just a FOMO and hype that would run into that thing. It'd be crazy, man. It'd be awesome. Just a theory, just a thought, just my opinion. If I was him, I would do it the same day. So, nonetheless, we'll see what happens, guys. Venmo accepts crypto now, too. Oh, I didn't know that, man. I actually got Venmo. I didn't know they accept crypto. Do you know what crypto they accept, Thomas? I've been missing the streams lately, but I'll always go back and watch and give them. Hey, appreciate you, Ryan, dude. I really do, man. You did you hop into Discord, brother? Appreciate the info you give. Helps me keep positive and hope, man. If I can help out one person doing these live streams, dude, I am a happy camper, man. You know, I'm not sitting back depressed and sad because I don't have 10,000 subs yet, man. I've only been doing this for 3 months. So my main goal when I started this channel was to actually help investors, educate them in the way the market works and the way the crypto market works. And a lot of new traders get wrecked, man. They absolutely get wrecked. And it's not just me. I don't know every single thing in this world, man. But we have a group of guys that form a community, and you learn stuff from each other, dude, and it really helps in the long run, man. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I think Litecoin on Venmo. So that's pretty cool, man. You could definitely see them accepting Doge in the future. I mean, why wouldn't they? DogeCoin to me is the future cryptocurrency that would be used on a day-to-day basis. I mean, tremendously. Like, the gas fees are low, dude. It's just everything adds up to DogeCoin being the coin for that, man. Bitcoin's not it. Bitcoin would, to me, would be like the gold of crypto. It would just hold the value, and you know, there's only so many Bitcoin out there. So supply and demand, guys. That's all you're rocking with crypto is supply and demand. I got something to sell. What are you willing to buy that? You know, and DogeCoin, you're still producing coins every year. So, but Ethereum, nonetheless, is coming up with a thing that, like, they have Matic, so the gas fees are going to be cheaper through that. But the Ethereum 2.0 coming out in July. I think Ethereum's setting up for a really nice run, guys. I mean, when you hear people talk about $10,000 Ethereum by the end of the year, that's because the summer is going to set that up. I hear 20,000 Ethereum. I'm not going to go that far to say that. I think you could see $8,000 to $10,000 Ethereum by the end of the year. But I want to see how the summer sets up for Ethereum, because that is going to set the stage for the rest of the year to see what Ethereum is actually going to do. Because they're going to come out with a thing where they're going to start burning coins. And there's a lot of news articles and pieces out there that say, hey, Ethereum will probably be to a point one day where we're burning more. Actually, this year, they're saying we'll be burning more coins than are actually being produced every year. So automatically, that would create supply and demand. If they could fix their gas fees and transaction times, I mean, man, that would be huge for Ethereum. It really will. But you also have the giant in the room, the sleeping giant, and that is in ADA, brother. ADA is prime, dude. It's a freaking rip. You got smart contracts coming out. They're going to be busting out some new technology come this summer, actually starting this month. So ADA is actually primed to rip, man. Very, very soon, guys. And I really think anything that you can, anything that I'm putting in ADA right now, I will see 4 to 5 times. And that's being conservative, I believe, toward the end of the year. And I have the same feeling about Cardano as I did when I hopped into AMC, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel super good about this play, and I don't even worry about it in the least bit. So let me pull that up. My phone's kind of going off. Give me 1 second. Let me check this. What's Ethereum sitting at, brother? Currently right now, $25.95, man. $25.95. And like I told you earlier, man, I was kind of swing trading it. I actually got some at $25.65 currently right now. I got a couple of them. So I'm up, you know, maybe $100 right now, $200, something like that. So not too bad, man. Just for playing around with something. I'm just trying to keep my trading skills sharp, bro. So hop back to Doge, $35.99. ADA, baby. The rest is in AMC, dude. Yeah, man. AMC it's just been going parabolic, man. And the numbers didn't lie about it, dude. When it was at $9, man, I kept preaching and preaching and preaching because I wanted people to understand what I thought was about to happen with it. And that's not a short squeeze, guys. What happened with AMC? Not a short squeeze, man. This is pure hype and FOMO, man. So, I mean, look at that chart. It's hard to even believe we used to trade back in 8 to $12 range and would be happy to see 14, man. Now we're sitting, 36 all the way at 39, dude. Almost $40, dude. That is a good sign to see for everybody that's been fighting that battle for so long, man. ADA is a good move, man. ADA is, man, I just can't say enough about ADA, dude. I just believe in what they do, man. That guy, Charles Hoskins, his vision for ADA is just awesome, dude. It's just, they want to help the planet, and that's what I'm about, man. I'm about helping people. That's why I started YouTube. So I like to support stuff that, you know, actually do good for the world. So you hear the same stuff I said about Ethereum yet or not? I didn't hear what you had said, Ryan. Oh, okay, I got you. Ethereum switching from proof of work to proof of stake. Also, SEC getting ready to approve crypto ETFs. I didn't know about the ETFs, but I knew about the proof of stake. Which, yes, dude, that's also going to help Ethereum. Dude, Ethereum has some great news coming out, man. And we're going to see what happens this summer to see if we will see a 20,000 Ethereum at the end of the year. But this summer will be a tall tale sign about where we will be come the end of the year. And I think we'll know sometime around early to mid-July. That's when I think crypto is going to start running again, man. So nonetheless, we'll see. But I do think Doge will possibly move back up to the 40-cent range tomorrow, man. So just have your alerts set. Make sure you're watching it. And like I said, if I was Elon Musk, I would announce Tesla the day Coinbase listed, man. Just to give it that extra hype, so that way maybe it won't fall after Coinbase, you know? But most coins tend to fall right after the Coinbase listing. Steezy, what's happening, brother? Match Market, where do you see Doge on Friday? That's a good question, man, because we have the Coinbase listing, and if we do have some more news popping into this thing, man, you could easily see Doge touching 50 cents by Friday, man. But let's see what happens. You know how it is with the news on Doge. I'm fully expecting this thing to run tomorrow and go to touch this 200-day moving average at 43 cents, brother. So I think that will hold true. I drew this line actually 2 nights ago, and dude, we are bouncing off of it. Bounce, come up, bounce, having a nice run. I had this triangle drawn. I left all that stuff up just to show you guys that we got the break that we needed above this consolidation phase. And when I mean by consolidation, you're setting lower highs, higher lows. And when you get this point right here, the tip of this triangle, you're either going to get a break or, you know, you might have a little break underneath. And that's going to signal a new trend. So we're having that new trend, guys. And that's going to signal us going back up to test this 200 moving day average. And if we break that thing, dude, we're off to the races, man. We'll very easily go up to test 50 cents. So, man, make sure to hit that sub button, brother, if you're not part of the community. And I got a link to the Discord below, man. Make sure to join up with us. The ETFs will actually be required to buy and hold the crypto. Dude, I'm gonna have to read up on that, and I will do that as soon as I hop off the stream, because I didn't hear about that, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Sitting outside. Yeah, I got you, bro. Hey, man, appreciate that super chat, man. I really do, man. You didn't have to do that, but nonetheless, dude, I really appreciate it, man. What do you think about XLM Stellar I got in? Daniel, what price target did you get in, man? I got XLM up here. And dude, I told my buddy at work today, XLM was holding up pretty freaking good today, man. It was actually one of the only, this was before the Coinbase stuff. This was like before lunch. And I saw red across the whole market, man. I'm like, XLM's holding up pretty decent, man. Like, it wasn't even red at all. So, dude, I do think XLM, dude, a decent little play right here, man. When crypto starts to run this summer, you possibly go back up to 79 cents, man. So, hope it treats you well, man. Oh, it's all good, Ryan, dude. That's what I'm here for, man. I'm just here to help, brother. I'm just here to help. But I don't know if you play stocks, but I'm going to say it again because I feel like this is a good play, man. If you want to hold for a couple months, you could definitely 3 times your money right here, man. Well, getting a little high up there, but I think this could definitely double it right now, because whenever I said 3 times your money last night, it was sitting at 20 bucks. Now you're close to the 30 right here. That'd put it at 90 bucks. You could possibly see it, man. You could possibly see 90 to 100 bucks on ride this year, depending on how hard crypto runs this summer. So, but nonetheless, Bitcoin's sitting at 36.5, and you can see same line I drew last night. I drew it on Bitcoin too, and they just all following each other. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Probably get another bounce somewhere around 34.841. And that would be putting it tomorrow if we see that bounce. And we have a level of resistance at 39.06, and you can see that we kind of had a little false break here, kind of consolidating right here, you know. lower highs, higher lows. So we'll be coming to a point on Bitcoin very shortly where it's going to bust up, man. And crypto is going to start to pull back and have a nice little riff this summer, man. I got in at 30 cents on XLM, dude. Oh, you sitting beautiful, man. You sitting perfect, dude. I would not worry about that. I just hope a lot of people were actually taking the time to add on to their positions through the duration of this past month, because May was the time to buy crypto up, man. I mean, I was just adding left and right wherever I could because I knew this summer was going to be nice to us. So we'll see what happens, guys, but I'm still expecting a nice run come late June to mid-July, dude. That's the time frame I'm thinking crypto is going to start to really freaking take off, man. Yeah, I agree on Riot. I was watching it swing up and down a month ago and debating hopping in on a red day. You could possibly see a red day tomorrow, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Riot's kind of up and down. Where is it? Wasn't up too much in the aftermarket. Let's see the options for Friday. Not too much going on in the options market. For some reason, you have quite a bit at 35 bucks. So these are probably far out there. People thought it was going back to 35. You could possibly see 31, 32 bucks by the end of the week if you're just solely going off the options chain. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm going to wake up pre-market, kind of watch, see what it's doing. And I will be in the Discord. Y'all let me know if y'all need anything in there. But what about VeChain? Dude, VeChain is still on my list, man. I mean, dude, type it up. VeChain price. Who in here got VeChain? Because just the other day it was trading at 7 cents. If you would have caught that dip, and you're sitting at 12 right now. So just a month ago it was sitting at 27 cents. So still a very good short-term play if that's what you're looking for. Because see, it was sitting up here. It was a little bit higher than that, dude. It was 27 cents. I saw that. Let me see if I gotta go back 90 days. Maybe it was April I saw that. Yeah. Nonetheless, dude, it was 27 cents. So you can look to retest at 27 cents. That's more than double your money, man. It's more than double your money when it goes to run this summer. So that's another good play to keep your eye on if you want a quick little flip, man. But ADA is the one I'm mainly looking at, dude, because I think ADA is absolutely primed to rip. And that's, I think, is going to give us the best returns on our money this year as a whole, man. But nonetheless, I still like Ethereum. I have some Ethereum, and I'm not letting that go. I do think Ethereum is going to do great things toward the end of the year. Actually, this summer, but more towards heading toward the end of the year to end the year out. I think you'll be looking at, possibly $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 Ethereum, depending on what happens this summer. So we'll just have to see. River Bear, man, what's happening, brother? Did you play any Mavis calls, bro? I was thinking about it this AM, but went ahead and got BB shares. You couldn't go wrong either way, dude. Yeah, honestly, you'd have been better off if you did both, man. I mean, it was a green freaking day for both, man. And hopefully you caught my call about Mavis last night, dude. Because I just had that feeling, man. I didn't have nothing to back it up. Sometimes I get these little gut feelings about stocks. I'm not always right, dude, but I just thought Mavis was set up for a pretty nice run today, dude, and I'm happy it held to fruition, man. Bruh, I had to get some water, man. All talking, but nonetheless, dude, Blackberry, man, is you should have been sitting up pretty freaking nice on Blackberry today, man. I mean, look at this growth, dude. Let's see where it started. Oh, I can tell right here. Boom, start the day, dude. Straight up, dude. Kind of consolidated, had a little bit of a sell-off, and then just started to run, man. Almost looks like Mavis, dude. Well, that's after hours. So let's see what she did. After hours up 13%, dude. Like, man, these gains, dude. AMC, you'd gained almost 40% today, I believe. 22%, and after hours 17%. I mean, where you where do you go to get that type of returns, man? In one freaking day, do 40%. Like that's just insane, man. It's just insane. Daniel says I got some V, dude. I think V will treat you very well, man. And I'm treating VeChain like a quick flip. So when I do get double on my money, I'm either gonna look to take my original investment, probably put it in ADA, and just let the rest of that VeChain ride. Because I do think VeChain will do some nice stuff heading into the future. And VeChain used to be a $5-6 crypto, man. So not too much change with them either. They just rebranded, and I think you give them some time, dude. They'll make some pretty good money moves for you, man. Pretty freaking good money moves. But what do I think about XLM, man? I think it held up pretty well today, man. And like I said, it was the only green crypto while everything else was bleeding red today. Down 2%, 3%. You know, I saw some down 5, 10. XLM was actually green, man. So I do think he'll go back to retest the high around 74 cents come this summer, man. So hope it treats you well, brother. Yeah, I heard you talk about Mavis possible ripping last night. Yeah, man, it was just a gut feeling, brother. Just a gut feeling. I've been keeping track of it, dude. And once you guys start to really keep track of these stocks, you'll kind of get a feel for what they're about to do. And a lot of times, if you've been really keeping track of it, like, man, it's you can get pretty good at swinging it, dude. Like, just, hey, it might rip this Monday. We had a bunch of call options expire, and it's due for a rip. You know, you'll learn the stock or the crypto that you're actually dealing with. Now, crypto's a little bit tougher because it's built off of human sentiment. So it's more unpredictable than the stock market. Like, I could swing trade the stock market all freaking day and make some money. I do get caught up in hype sometimes. I do, but I try to be patient. And I find I do a lot better when I'm patient going into plays than when I just hurry up and jump right in them. JR Blanco, man. What's up, brother? Any thoughts on LIXT and LPTH? Honestly, man, I haven't really looked into them, man. I heard people talking about them. They haven't had too much. Let's see what you're talking about. LIXT. Typed that wrong. Type that price. Let me see. I can pull it up on here. They don't have it. LIXT. $2, huh? Back in May. Whoa, this had like a little gamma squeeze right here, man. Let's see. What a 4-hour chart. 225. I'm looking for 127. Didn't have no effect when the GameStop hit off. Kind of after the fact. And oh, that thing just, wow. Look at that, man. I don't have any thoughts on this, brother, but I will look at it. Because, dude, that just, you got some nice pops on this thing. Run up, pop. Run up, pop. I mean, I'll take a look at it, man. I'll let you know what I think. Did they like reverse split right here, though? I'm gonna have to look into that. That looks like a reverse split, man, back in December. So, I'll check it out, brother. I sure will, man. What about Polygon Matic price targets? Let's pull that up, man. I think Poly's gonna do good, man. They got a lot of celebrities like, you know, Mark Cuban and stuff pumping it. I don't really care too much for all that, but nonetheless, it's move my big head, get myself out of the way. Down 4% on the day, $1.80. Let's look at the past month. So looks to be we could be doing a little bit of consolidation. I think it'll run this summer with Ethereum. I don't really have a price prediction on this, man, because the all-time high was about 250. Let me make sure I'm giving you right information. Yep, all-time high was about 250 something. So it's really tough to tell, man. It's gonna have to. We'll see how good it does with the Ethereum upgrade and everything. I do think you can make some money off of this. I just don't have a price target for you, brother. But I do think she's going to rip pretty freaking nicely, dude. She held up really well in May, man. I mean, look at this. Ever since that Bitcoin dip, I mean, she had some really nice growth, man. And just kind of consolidating. And consolidation favors the bulls. So she's kind of setting herself up for a next rip up, man. So price target wise, though, man, it's tough, brother. It really is. But I do think you'll go, once the Ethereum thing kicks off in July, if you're not trading at 250, you'll definitely... I think it'll bust through it, man. Definitely. So let's head back to the chart, get back to Doge, check her real quick, see what she's doing. Let me get a sip of water. Oh, all that talking, man, gets you dehydrated. So Doge making some little moves, man. That's a 4-hour chart, and we're starting off with another green candle. So on the 5-minute, just some steady little growth, man. We have a ascending level of support right here, guys. So I'm looking for us to make a move to break 38.40 tomorrow. That's going to be a key level for us to get over, and I really do think we'll test it. So we'll have to see if that holds true. 17,000 V-chain at 13 cents, Daniel. Dude, you're sitting beautiful, man. I really do think this summer you'll double that, man. I really do. I have 2 Blackberry Leaps, and I got last month for 28 cents, $20 strike price. They're up 546% right now. Hoping tomorrow it can pump a little more. Damn, Bear, dude, you did good on those, man. You did damn good on those. Keep a very close eye. I don't know what your work schedule is like, but dude, keep a very close eye on them, man. That's I was up 546%. I would have alert after alert set, man, because you're gonna want to keep track of that. Daniel Rose, I like Matic. I hear lots of people mentioning, a lot of people talking about Matic, dude. And crypto's got sentiment with it. So if you hear a lot of people talking about plays, you know, you can make some money on the short term, but the real money to make in crypto is off of the long term, man. Without a doubt, if you just hold, you'll be better off. I'm not saying if you sold at 70 cents on Doge and you bought back in at 26, dude, hats off to you. You're not going to do that every time, dude. I don't care who you are. No one can predict that kind of price swing. But just be careful, guys. And, you know, crypto's a long-term game, man. 4 years you hold something, dude, you'll be sitting on pretty nice profits, dude. LIXT hit an all-time high today. Did it? I thought I just looked at it. I'll take your word for it, man. I didn't think it did. Let me look at it. I think I put it on my watch list. Nope. LIXT. Is this what you're talking about? The all-time high to me would be right here at 48.5, $8.50. If this is what you're referring to, you know, when you was talking about AMC at 8 to 9, only a handful of people were talking about. Now everybody is even. Hey John, and he doesn't do stocks. Dude, I knew it was gonna happen, dude. That's the FOMO that you get, man. So if you do your research ahead of time, you're in the game before everybody else hops in, dude. That's when you make the big bucks. And you know, I was sitting there preaching AMC at $9, like, dude, like, you look at it, man. The numbers are crazy, and it held true, man. That thing just took off, dude. And this is not a short squeeze, guys. This is 0% a short squeeze. So just keep that in mind. I do think she's gonna squeeze. I think it's just when. The time is when. Because I don't think the apes are freaking leaving until this thing squeezes. and you got shorts possibly still sitting back at $7-8, maybe even $5, dude. Like, it's insane what's going on over there. It is freaking insane. Where's DogeCoin at? 36.32. Matic will treat you well, man. I honestly believe that. I'm personally not getting into it right now. I got my plays, but I do think Matic will treat you well. I think any name brand crypto right now, you can pick it and you'll have nice returns come this summer when everything rips back, man. Nah, you good, Bear? You good, brother. I'm happy you got you some BlackBerry today, man. I am happy, brother. I am super pumped for you, man. Let me check something real quick, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me zoom that in. Alright, just had to take care of that real quick, man. Nonetheless, dude, AMC tomorrow, we could possibly see everything heading up. Possibly see $40 tomorrow, guys. So, if it does that, man, I mean, dude, the sky's the limit. You're in uncharted territory, and we'll just have to see what's happening. But the Boss 480, what's good, bro? Do you think Bitcoin consolidating and pumping will help us? Definitely, boss. Definitely, brother. I had some lines drawn on Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, and we are holding that true, man. Bounce right here from that low, bounce, and we're just kind of consolidating right here, man. And like I said, I think, you know, we'll head up to 39,906. That's the next level of resistance. And, you know, if we get that break, dude, we're off to the races for the summer run, man. I really do believe that. I think we'll be sitting back, you know, seeing 60, 64,000 Bitcoin come anywhere. I'd have to say July period, man. July period, I think is going to be great for crypto, man. I think it's going to be an awesome month, man. But I haven't seen you here before, brother. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to hit the sub button, man. We try to stream every night. And if you're not part of Discord, man, I got a link down below. It's 100% free, man. Always in there talking plays. Make sure to join up with us if you feel like it, man. Just always trying to grow the community, brother. But nonetheless, Microvision, keep an eye on that tomorrow. DogeCoin, I'm fully expecting Doge to hop back and test the 200-day moving average. If charts hold true, the TA holds true, it's going to go back and test this. And your 200 moving day average is sitting at 43 cents. So take that with what you want. That's what I think is going to happen. We'll find out tomorrow. It held true with the line last night that we drew. Pop, pop, pop. Now she's looking to head up, man. So we will see what happens. Ryan, can you give me your thoughts on what, man? Let's see what Ethereum's at, because I need to keep track of 2610. Maybe, boom. That's good news, man. That's good news. So I'm on a stream making money, not losing it right now, because I am doing some swing trading. Yeah, thanks, bro. Not only a meme stock, but a cybersecurity stock. So hopefully, with the infamous cyber hacks, BlackBerry will stay steady and for business. I think so, man. I think so. I was a little thrown off when BlackBerry got thrown in the meme stock mix, because I was like, BlackBerry? I used to have a BlackBerry when I was a kid, man. So it's good to see that, man. A lot of people our age have sentiment towards BlackBerry phones and GameStop and movie theaters, you know. Like, dude, we're not going to let the shorts take that from us, ever, man. That's what I was thinking, because Doge kind of follows Bitcoin. So while Doge has its own natural pump, plus running behind Doge will be good. And I like the vibes in here. Thank you, boss. I really appreciate it, man. It's all good, boss, dude. I'm horrible at spelling, man, so don't feel bad the least bit, dude. Make sure to check out that Discord if you haven't either, man. We're always in there talking plays. I'm just happy, dude. I made some good calls yesterday, man. We called Riot, Mara. What were the other ones? Mavis. We knew AMC was going to be totally parabolic. I'm worried about telling people to hop in AMC now. Like, I want to look out for the best interest. I do think it will squeeze, but dude, you're sitting at some all-time highs and they're still shorting this thing. Like, it's insane right now, guys. So you have to know the extreme risk that you're taking if you step into AMC right at this time period. I'm not saying anything bad about AMC. I do think it's going to squeeze. It's just we have extreme risk at this point right here. This is extremely risky. So, but where comes risk, you get reward, man. And I really do think this thing is going to take off. But you know, if someone would hop in and it would head back south for a little bit before it takes off, you know, some people can get burnt, man. Because some people, the last time AMC was trading that high, let me show you real quick, just in case you're not aware, back in January, and it ran up here, dude, and you should have seen when it ran all the way up to 25 bucks, came back down, dude, and the people that cried when it was sitting at $5, man. Some people had lost their entire life savings, sold, and they probably ran away from the stock market. So you have to understand the risk that comes with it, but the reward is pretty freaking nice right here, guys. So just be careful out there. I meant Doge runs behind Bitcoin. Yes, dude, I know what you mean, man. Bitcoin is the big brother, is the daddy in the house, man. And if he's not happy, the whole market ain't happy. So I'm fully expecting Bitcoin to have a nice little run. Come soon, dude. Come freaking soon. So I got this line drawn. I can kind of draw a little. I have a couple touch points I see right here. So, I messed it up. Give me a second. I suck at drawing, guys. I suck at drawing. Move that up. Let's go right there. So that would put us possibly breaking 6-7. What's today? The 1st? That's a week away. You could possibly see some more consolidation the rest of the week before we would enter a phase to where we either have to pop up, because we're trading in this channel. Level of support at 29,000 and level of resistance right here at 39. So we're trading in this channel. I think by the 7th, you'll know what Bitcoin is doing. And I'll leave these lines up just to see if that holds true. But I'm thinking, you know, we'll get this pop above this channel, test this 39 and blow through that, man. And that would be a pretty good catalyst to start crypto running for the summer, man. Manny, what's happening, brother? If I bought AMC stock right now, how much would it be? I can tell you the price exactly, brother. You were looking at $37.69, not depending on what happens in pre-market tomorrow. But if you have Webull, you can wake up at, depending on where you're at. I'm Central Time. I can wake up at 4 o'clock. I can buy at 4 in the morning, man. So just, I think pre-market will be absolutely insane too. I think pre-market you'll be above $40. So we'll see if that holds true. But that's just what I feel, man. I think AMC will be above $40 come time market opens, and we'll probably see some selling off right at market open, man. The shorts are going to take new positions on it, and but it didn't affect it too much today. It really did, man. It just had nice, awesome growth, dude. Where else can you go get 22% during the regular hours and then 17.63% in the after hours, man? And I've been talking about this baby since $9, dude. Actually $5. I mean, it's been insane, man. But Manny, if you're not part of the channel, man, hit the like and sub button for me, man. I'd love to stay in touch. I also got a link to the Discord down below, brother. I have 22 shares at 30. That's not bad, man. That's not bad. I mean, you're still sitting $7 away. Just watch it, man. I think this thing, if we bust over 40 and you start to get close to that, actually, I think over 40, you're going to start moving pretty quick. I think you're going to move up to 45, 50. And once you pass 50, dude, this thing is going to go absolutely insane, dude. There's nothing technical analysis can do for you at this point. I mean, even right now, I mean, you just straight up. So just be careful, man. Just watch your investment very closely at this point. That's the best advice I can give anybody right now. I could be wrong, but if you want into AMC, wait until the morning sell-off is done. Wait until I mean, yeah, dude. Where does she pop off at? This is 6-1. Let's see. I mean, you saw 6-1, massive jump off the straight out the gate. Had a little bit of a sell-off, probably around. This is pre-market. That's pre-market. So right when market opened, you had a pretty good sell-off, dude. So hey, I mean, I've been watching AMC a long time, and a lot of times, dude, you can wake up pre-market, catch it in, and sell it, right before market open. I'm not saying I do that. I'm just saying that's a trend that I've seen. Like it's just crazy, dude. And they always have a pretty good dip right when market opens, and they kind of try to set the tone for the day, but it never happens, man. You got all the apes and people running into this thing, buying it up. It's just crazy, man. AMC on one Discord group, I saw. Oh, Pantry. I'm sorry, man. I'm skipping by. $50 this week, Pantry. I hope so, brother. I really freaking do, man. If it gets to 50, it's gonna go crazy, man. I don't want to keep spamming same thing. Is my message not going through? Did you post it in the Discord, man? I'm sorry I missed your message. Let me know if you posted it in the Discord, man. The last thing I read from you, Ryan, was, can you give me your thoughts on this? It was like nothing. So, but just let me know, man. AMC on one Discord group, I saw someone post it on the 1 hour chart setting up an H&S pattern. So if you make profits, take it quickly. If you make man, I don't know, dude. I'm gonna wait to see this thing take a hard drop before I even think about pulling any profits, man. I mean, it's just, I've been in it too long, dude. I'm in at $8, so I believe where this thing's going. I do think it will squeeze. I just think it's very, we need new investors stepping in. I mean, for this thing to actually keep rolling like it is, but it's very dangerous, dude. And I have to let people know that it's extremely, extremely, massively risky. I wouldn't advise like people I know to go jump into AMC right now, dude. I'm sorry. I'm just not gonna do it, man, because you could possibly, if you're not in it, dude, I mean, I'm not saying you missed the bandwagon at all. It's extremely risky, guys. And you have to understand that. Let's see, 8 to 8.5 and sold today. Still there. Or was that not real shares? Let me see what you're talking about, man. Oh man, the 8.5 million shares. I would have to say so. I mean, dude, there's no telling how many fake shares are out there. So, I think it's good they did it. It didn't affect nothing. I mean, AMC was not affected the least freaking bit, dude. Not the least bit. And I'm kind of happy this is happening, man. Because me and Houston Wade did an interview, and we kind of I talked about AMC squeezing first, and dude, you were seeing it, dude. It's having some massive, massive moves right now. So I do think I possibly hold shares that are fake, man. You possibly, if you hold AMC. There's a damn good chance your shares are fake, but nonetheless, June the 2nd tomorrow. Let's see what they have to say about the share count, and we will have a better idea than where we were today. So we'll see what happens. I PM'd you on the Discord. I will check it out, brother, when I get off. I'm actually about to hop off here in a few minutes, but I will definitely check it out. Good info. He is speaking fact. Yes, dude, I'm just worried about everybody because, dude, y'all saw back. I was preaching it back at $9, dude, like religiously, like. I saw the numbers adding up, and this was right around the time me and Houston did the interview, and the numbers were just absolutely insane, dude. And I kept telling everybody, I'm looking at the wrong part of the chart. My bad, y'all. I kept telling everybody, dude, they need to hop in, man. Like, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, but you need to look at this. That's what I kept saying, man. So nonetheless, I'm happy for everybody, dude. They should be making bank right now. So back to Doge real quick. See where we're sitting at. Bitcoin 36.3, Ethereum 26. I'm still making money right there. I'm good there. When I start going on these rants, I forget to look at my swing trading I'm doing. So I have to keep a close eye on that tonight. DogeCoin 36.6. So still looking beautiful, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, man. Doge is still looking absolutely beautiful. JR Blanco, check this out. I will post the Discord link in the top of the chat bar, brother. And you can go ahead and click on that, and I promise you that will work. Give me 1 second. Copy link, and I'm gonna post it right here, man. All right, man. I just pinned it to the top of the chat bar, dude. I guarantee that link works, and I will get that one in the description changed out because we can't have it expired, man. Oh, Ryan, I'm curious. You say it's risky to get in now. What would be different scenarios that could play out, good and bad? Why did AMC stock skyrocket months ago and then crash to $5, man? If you haven't kept track of all the Reddit phenomenon back in early July, man, basically you had a bunch of people on Reddit. They had this dude Keith Gill, and he basically found that GameStop was actually shorted to oblivion, like freaking ridiculous numbers, man. And it was the same people shorting the stock that are shorting multiple other stocks. So whenever you got this huge run up back here, July 27th, and this thing squeezed right here to $514, they halted trading on Robinhood and a couple other platforms. I mean, dude, it was the talk of the town, man. So ever since then, they shorted this thing all the way back down to $40. It ran all the way back up to $350 and still been trading at $250 current to date. Same thing with AMC, dude. Check this out. Back in 127, had a massive run up. Massive run up, dude. Bled off, kind of just chilled out. Now she's trading at, I mean, look at that, dude. $37.69. Almost hit $40 today. And what they mean by the meme stocks is you got, BlackBerry. Check this out. 127, same thing. Boom. All hit, dude. Where's Naked? Where's she at? 127, dude. Massive shoot up right here. I mean, dude, there's a lot of meme stocks, dude. There's costs. Look at this. Massive run up, dude. Like, man, it was crazy, bro. But nonetheless, that's what's going on with that whole situation, man. Just be careful, man. I ain't gonna do a dab, but I would if I could. I watch the stock all day. If you can't watch all day, yes, dude. Set your alerts. That's his next t-shirt, River Bear. I hear you, brother. Look, guys, keep your eye on AMC. Make sure y'all watching that tomorrow, man. It's I'm expecting 400 to 500 million volume again, man. It's just gonna continue to be crazy, and I'm gonna wake up pre-market, check some stuff out, see what everything's going. But until then, just be careful. Be freaking careful. I'll say it 50 times, dude, because when AMC was $8, $9, $5, I was like, man, y'all need to look at this. Like, now's the time to look at it. Now's the time to be careful, guys. Like, on a real ass note, like, just watch your investments, because I don't want anybody, especially that I'm associated with, getting burned on this, man, if you're hopping in late to the game, man, because it is a very risky right here. So if you haven't been in since $5, since the previous squeeze, I mean, even back here, you sit nice. Just always do your own research. Come up with your own price target that you want to get out with, and just be careful, man. And I hope everybody makes money in the process. But Doge, I fully expect it to go back in the 40-cent range tomorrow. If I'm not, I'll probably get trolled a little bit in the Discord. Hey, it happens, but that's just what the charts are reading up to with the Coinbase listing hype going into it. I fully expect it. So But oh yeah, Express too, man. That was definitely one of them stocks too. But all right, guys, I gotta hop off. I got a few things to do before I hit the sack. I got work early in the morning. But make sure hit me up in the Discord. I'll be in there all day tomorrow. If y'all need something, just let me know. And if you're new to the channel, haven't subbed yet, please hit the sub button. Greatly helps support the channel. And if you're not part of the Discord, the link is at the top of the chat. Make sure y'all hop in there. And we got a great group of guys that always in there talking trades and just, you know, preaching about the market, man, so everybody can learn a little bit. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and good luck, everybody. Peace.